Identification. This is not for broadcast. Level 6, Unit 7, Lesson 7. Hello, teacher and students. Mr. Samuel has gone abroad, so I'll be your radio teacher from here on. My name is Salam, and I'll stay with you the whole semester.
English for Ethiopia. English for Ethiopia.
This is English for Ethiopia, Grade 6, Unit 7, Lesson 7, produced by Center for Educational Information and Communication Technology.
I can speak to you, you can speak to me. I can speak to you, you can speak to me. English for Ethiopia. English for Ethiopia.
Hello, teacher. Hello, students.
Hello, everyone.
Sing, everyone.
Hello, how are you? I'm fine, and how are you? We're learning, yes, we're learning. We're finding what we want to do. From the north, hello, to the south, hello. From the east, hello, to the west, hello. We're learning, yes, we're learning. We're finding what we do best. Hello, how are you? Hello, I'm fine, and how are you? Hello, we're learning, yes, we're learning. We're finding what we want to do.
That's good, everyone. Now, Obangenjalani, we will practice identifying the difference between fact and opinion. Students, you also listen.
Okay.
Students, what is the difference between opinion and fact? Teacher, please encourage the students to participate. Time is up. Jalani, can you tell me the difference between fact and opinion?
Sure. Fact is something that is generally true, whereas opinion is someone's feeling. It is true for some people and false for the other segments of the society.
That is great, Jalani. Now, can you give me an example of a fact?
For example, water boils at 100 degrees centigrade.
Students, what about you? Can you come up with some examples of facts? Teacher, please assist the students to work on this activity. Time is up. Now, teacher, please have two students stand up and read their answers to the students. Time is up. That is good, students. Thank you, teacher. Students, here are some examples of facts. Teacher, please write them on the chalkboard when I say them. Thank you. Students, listen. The sun rises in the east. The sun sets in the west. 1 plus 2 equals 3. A lion lives in a zoo. Hydrogen combines with oxygen to form water. That is great, students. Now, Obang, can you tell me an example of an opinion?
Of course I can. Living in the city is better than living in the countryside.
That is great, Obang. Students, what about you? Can you come up with some examples of opinions? Teacher, please encourage the students to participate. Time is up. That is good, students. Thank you, teacher. Now, students, here are some examples of opinion. Now, teacher, please write them on the chalkboard when I say them. Students, listen. A large family is better than a small one. Larger families find it difficult to educate their children. Street children mainly come from large families. Having too many children is a challenge today. Being a teacher is far better than being a farmer. That is very good, students. Thank you, teacher. Teacher, please have the students work in groups of 4 or 5 and let them come up with 4 examples of facts and opinion. Do the activity for about 2.5 minutes. You may begin. Thank you, teacher. That is very good, everyone. Now let's sing the song.
Father, mother, sister, brother, he and she, and I and we, he and she, and I and we, father, mother, sister, brother, are a happy family.
That is very good, everyone. Obang and Jalani. Now we will practice expressing opinion using phrases such as, in my opinion, as to me, I think, and as far as I'm concerned. Students, you also listen.
Okay.
That's nice.
Teacher, please write the following expressions on the chalkboard. Here we go. In my opinion. As to me. I think. As far as I'm concerned. Thank you, teacher. Obang, is a large family better than a small one?
In my opinion, a large family is not better than a small one. That is because food is not enough to feed the whole family.
That is great, Obang. Students, what about you? Is a large family better than a small one? Teacher, please encourage the students to express their opinion using one of the expressions on the chalkboard. That is good, students. Thank you, teacher. Now, teacher, please invite a volunteer student and have him or her express his or her opinion. Please make sure that the student uses one of the phrases on the chalkboard. Time is up. That is good, students. Thank you, teacher. Now, Jalani, do street children mainly come from large families?
As far as I'm concerned, street children do not mainly come from large families. They come from a family where there is no care and support.
That is great, Jalani. Now, students, it is your turn. Do street children mainly come from large families? Teacher, please encourage the students to express their opinion using one of the expressions on the chalkboard. Time is up. That is good, students. Thank you, teacher. Now, teacher, please invite a volunteer student and have him or her express his or her opinion. Please make sure that the student uses one of the phrases on the chalkboard. Time is up. That is very good, students. Thank you, teacher. Now, teacher, for your final activity, please have the students be in groups of 4 or 5 and let them express their opinion on whether having a large family is better than a small one, using phrases such as, in my opinion, as to me, I think, and as far as I'm concerned. Please move around the classroom and assist those students who may be needing help in one way or another. Do the activity for about 5 minutes. Bye for now.
You've been listening to English for Ethiopia, Grade 6, Unit 7, Lesson 7, produced by Center for Educational Information and Communication Technology.